up in a tree, I go fishing. It's so dark, I might even catch a shark. I like it when I throw my pole in the water, in the water. So many fish swimming in the water. It is dark. So many sharks and a crocodile swimming in the lake. For goodness sake, get out of my lake. I swim with these animals. They love the way I throw my ball. I go fishing in the dark. Go fishing in the dark. Go fishing in the dark. And I caught a catfish. I named him Max E. He smells really good. I might cut him clean. I want to eat his flesh. I'll fry him in my deep fryer pan. I love my catfish Maxie. He tastes so good to me. I love fishing in the dark. Oh, fishing in the dark. Oh, fishing in the dark. Well, I went fishing in the dark. Threw my pole straight into my girlfriend's armpit. It stings and she cried out to me, "Oh, Justin, what you doing fishing in the dark?" Oh, fishing in the dark. Oh, fishing in the dark. It's so fun to fish in the dark. Oh, fishing in the dark. Oh, fishing in the dark. I want to cut that crocodile. No! One walrus couldn't kill anything, so let's break it down in a symphonic way. Gangsta fish say so real good, popping caps all up in their hood. Oh, fishing in the dark. Oh, fishing in the dark. I might go fish in the dark. I caught 2 fish, you caught 3. Now let's